how to deactivate Instagram account and activate it again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you think you're spending too much time on Instagram and want to deactivate it for a while? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Instagram app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then go to the three lines in the top right. Now you'll need to head over to Account Center. Under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. Now you need to go to Account Ownership and Control. There you'll find Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it. Now choose Deactivate Account and hit Continue. And then you'll need to hit continue and your account will be deactivated. And if you want to activate it again, you just need to log in and your account will be automatically activated. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.